Hey, Kenji Motorbike Supercross Bikes. Just getting to you here. Yeah, just getting to you here, guys. Yeah. Sorry about today. I was gonna make a video earlier, but I had some stuff going on, so I couldn't tell you if I was. So I can tell you what I was. So I couldn't tell you what was, going on earlier today, of what I was gonna be doing here today. So sorry about that for not making the video, soon enough of what I was gonna be doing here today. But I guess I'm gonna be looking at dirt bikes now. I'm home now for running around today. My brother had an appointment and I had to go with, and so um, so um. Anyways, I'm gonna be looking at dirt bikes now, I guess. I'm gonna be up for a little bit. And then I'm probably gonna be starting to wind down here, anyways, I guess I'm gonna be looking at dirt bikes here tonight. Yeah, so I apologize for not making the video earlier or soon enough today, I guess, or like maybe around noon or something, or maybe around noon today. Like I always do, I should have made it ahead of time. I should have made my videos ahead of time or something. But you guys understand what I'm saying. So, anyways, you guys understand what I'm saying. So, my brother had an appointment. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing here tonight, looking at dirt bikes. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys. I'll talk to you guys next time, alright? Alright, see ya.